Now let's run some SQL and see how NULL works. So let me first create some. Let me first create some one table and insert a value as the baseline. So this value does not happen now, right? Because we have 2 columns and I'm inserting two values. Now, if I insert this open-lars now, see this? Actually, successfully, this now is inserted. So now if I run the select star from instructor, and run it, you see 2 rows, and the here row open-lars you get it now. You can also run this insert statement with only 1 column is specified with this instructor name, which means the instruction affiliation, I'm not inserting anything into instructor affiliation, which will bring me another now in the instructor affiliation part, right? So let me run this select start again. And you can see that now for both, I'm getting now. One because I explicitly inserted now. Another because I omitted the column name in the insert statement, which provides me with nothing, and there is no default either. Okay, so now what if I try to insert this now into the primary key? You can see that now value in column violates not now constraints. It's not now constraint because it's a primary key. Primary key by default is not, by definition, cannot be now. So this is the error that you will see. Okay. Or if we do it the other way around, I want to insert instructor affiliation without specifying instructor name. You see, we have the same error. Instructor name violates the not now constraint. Okay. So now let's see the calculation involving now. First of all, how about 1 plus now? What do we get? We get 3 nows. And remember, why do we get 3 columns, 3 rows? Because we have 3 data, 3 rows inside the table, right? So this is a reminder. Every time you run something, it runs against the table. It runs against every row, of course, with where clause applied, but we don't have where clause here. So it runs through all 3 rows. It's going to return you the same thing 3 times. Or something that if I want to make this calculation against a column, and this double pipe is a concatenation of a string. I try to concatenate this instructor affiliations string with a now. What is going to be happening? Again, I'm getting 3 nows. Any calculation between anything and now will result in now. Okay, so now let's see the even fun part, which is the where clause involving now. Let me first show you what is here, what is inside this table. Remember, we have 1 Jedi, 1 row with affiliation is Jedi, the other 2 are now. So what do you think will return if I run this equals to now? Is that going to return the 2 nows to us? And how about this not equals to now? Is that going to return the Jedi to us? So let's see first what is equals to now. Nothing, because nothing is equal to now. Even the now themselves are not equal to now. So even the 2 now rows are not going to give me a good return, because their affiliation are now is not equal to now. It's neither equals to nor not equal to now. Similarly, when I use this not equals to now, I'm going to get nothing, because the particular role with Jedi is not now, but it's not now either. It has nothing to compare with now. The only way you can get the now is by using this is now, right? We are returning the 2 rows which are actually have now in the affiliation column, and similarly we have this is not now, which give me the role of Jedi. And similarly, this should be easy to understand. What if it's now equals to now? Is now equals to now? If now equals to now, then we should see all three rows, because this is like 1 equals to 1. It works for all rows, right? If now equals to now, I should see all three rows. But indeed, what happens? Nothing's returning. But does this mean that now is not equal to now? The answer is no. You don't see anything when I test now not equal to now, because now is neither equal nor not equal to now. So hopefully this gives you some impression on what is supposed to be working with now. Okay, now let's drop the query, drop the table, and finish this statement, this session.